Hi there, it's Mark Sebastian, founder of OptionPit.com with the AM Volatility Report. Reminder, this is for education purposes only. None of this should be construed as investment advice. Consult your financial professional. Options have risk. So, what's going on in the world? 1 second. As you can see today, not quite the same as yesterday. We aren't off to the races. The S&P is actually flat. The VIX is down a little bit, but nothing crazy. VIX futures are flattish. VVIX found a floor at around 100. So vol has found a resting place, if you will, as it probably should. Right? Volatility is absolutely, completely overbid and overbought. Oversold, not overbought, oversold. So, we're going in this long weekend. We're at the end of the quarter. You got a lot of people moving money around, moving markets around. That's what's really driving things today. There's nothing truly exciting. But what we do have is, a lot of red. You got Deutsche Bank down nicely today. Credit Suisse down. I mean, Deutsche Bank's down the worst, 50 cents. Credit Suisse is off a little bit. Barclays off a little bit, so just Deutsche Bank, and that's because they are not allowed to do that distribution. Everybody else passed. So that's a big bonus for them. There's one other bank that didn't pass. It was Banco Santander. So no U.S. banks failed the stress test. That's a win. So you get Goldman up, some of these other names up. SPY down a touch, 8 cents. So, today looks like we could be a little softer. Makes some sense. A breather day is not a terrible thing after what they've done to vol. I mean, just an incredible slap down. All right, and that's just the way things line up sometimes. You get this nice splat, and that is that. Looking around, they just listed the August 3 future. They've listed some new futures. They're basically flat on the day, and I expect them to be flat maybe through tomorrow. It looks like they've priced out most of the 4th of July weekend other than, a couple of days here and there. So we're going to be coming back in next week with the VIX around 17.5. All right. Oil is down a little bit today. And you can see the euro stronger today and the pound stronger today. I think people are looking at the fact that Boris Johnson's not going to be running as a potential positive for the market. If you look at kind of what's going on with him, I think that's a net win for the market, as it looks like that Remain leader, that that more conservative version of David Cameron, but who was though in the Remain camp, has kind of the clear shot of becoming the head of the Conservative Party. All right, really could be fascinating over the next couple of days what happens. I would suspect vol to maybe ease off a little bit. I think markets will bounce around here. I think it's be very tough for VIX to get below 16 today. I actually think right here is about the low we may see through Friday. Might just be stable, and then we'll know from there. All right, you can see it's amazing how quickly these ETNs can give away what they made. This is why you have to be very strategic with the ETNs, especially one like UVXY. UVXY is now trading 959, or excuse me, 994, which would be the about where we were on 6.8. Where was the VIX on 6.8 though? Here's the part that'll drive you batty. It closed 1408. So we got the VIX 2.5 points higher and UVXY in the same spot. That's why you have to be very strategic with those ETNs. They can lose a lot of money very quickly. All right, and that might be a play we're looking at. The other thing we watched in the strategy letter, Tesla. Tesla undergoing a monumental short squeeze, and we discussed how to play it yesterday, and we're going to continue to do so and to build trades around it. All right, and the vol continues to move a little higher too. All right, folks, if you have any questions, you can email me, mark@optionpit.com. You can call me 888-TRADE-01. Have a good one.